Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide your activity status from sites on Opera.gx. Now if you do not want sites to know that you are actively using your device, then there's something you can do about it. From the home menu, all you have to do is open up your settings. I prefer using the keyboard shortcut, which is Alternate and P to open up the settings, and then you scroll all the way down under privacy and security. You search for site settings, click on site settings and then scroll down until you see additional permissions. Then you click on the arrow that points downwards to open up additional permissions, and then when you scroll down you see your device. This is where you can edit or enable and disable activity on your site. Now let's say this is it. Let's say you do not want sites to be able to detect when you are actively using your device. Then you click on this, which is do not allow sites to know when you're actively using your device. But if you want sites to be able to know or be able to ask to know when you're actively using your device, click on this. Now if sites know that you're actively using your device, they can simply set your availability on chat apps. So that's it. That is how to hide your activity status or reveal it to sites on Opera.gx. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for